Why you will regret saving money in 2022. Not having enough money to support yourself isn't the only money problem people have. Sometimes, it's having too much that it becomes relatively hard to manage. It's better to problematize the latter, though. It would be better to concern yourself too much about finances than worry about how not to die out of starvation. People become susceptible to a dire monetary situation because of their lack of financial literacy. We often have this belief in the back of our minds that we fully understand everything we need to do about our money when in fact, we don't. One famous piece of financial advice you must have heard of is saving about 20% of your monthly income. The only savings account that could give you back a good amount of money is a cryptocurrency savings account. These digital currencies are designed for us to get away from the centralized financial system of banks. Unlike real-world banks that give little to no interest in savings deposited in them, decentralized crypto banks like Gemini provide an option for you to lend your cryptocurrency holdings and earn up to 8% interest. The only problem with cryptocurrency investing is the highly volatile and ever-fluctuating market. The value of your 8% earned interest may vary depending on how Bitcoin is performing in the market. The best thing you have to keep in mind, aside from not letting your money forfeit its value, is not yielding your capital in your ventures. There's no point in getting a 20% return when your money's value can shrink to zero. Another profitable business that you could venture into is peer-to-peer lending. But this, too, has its own share of disadvantages. Some people who have experience in this field of business said that you're lucky enough to have your capital back when you lend it to your friends or siblings. Contrary to people's belief, you must stop saving all your money if you want to achieve financial independence. Even if you save every single penny as much as possible, there's still a limit you won't be able to cross by merely saving. Rather than aiming your focus at saving money, set your eyes on increasing your income. Sometimes we get so obsessed with money that we forget the real purpose of it. We forget that money isn't going to make us live forever. So no matter how much we save up, it's useless if we don't use it to fulfill meaningful goals and enjoy a quality life with our families. Every single day, hour, and the minute you have spent earning money could have been spent on something that will make your life happier and more purposeful. You're very lucky if you find a job that meets your passion. But that's not the case for most people. Should I stop saving money? You should diversify your money into savings and investments. Don't pour it all out on your savings, and the other way around. Try to find the balance between the two. Of course, although saving money won't get you a return, you still need some extra cash that you can access anytime things go south.